Hi everyone, welcome to Cody's Craft. I will be uploading videos on Sundays and not Saturdays anymore. For today's craft, we will be making a birthday card for kids. This is simple and easy to make. The materials required are colored papers. You can see the ones which I've kept it here on the table. And we need a glue, scissor, and any round lid of an object that you have at home, or the easiest thing is you can use a template, a circle template. So you'll get this from a stationery shop easily. You can get this from a stationery shop. And now let's get started of how to make this card. First of all, I've taken a A4 size paper and I've cut it into half, and from that I've folded the paper, okay, and I folded it into two like this. So this one we are going to keep it as a background, so I'm going to keep this aside for now. So what we're going to do is I've taken a blue sheet of paper, a colored paper, and what I did is, for making cards I like to put it like this, like a layered. So what I do is I will be making the card out here. So here, let's get started. Now the first thing is we are going to take a circle, this circle, a big one. So for this I've used a bigger object to get the perfect circle. So I've used this. Now the second thing is I've used a small object for this circle, and what we need to do is we have to fold the circle into half, fold it into half, and here I will cut it, and again we need to fold it into half. So this depends on how big is your card. So for me, I like to make a small size card, or small of a half A4 size card. So here is the main thing that we're going to do. It's very easy to make this. So I feel like you would see that it's all circles of different shapes. If you had watched my my videos earlier, sorry, so you would see that I've made a flower card out of different sizes of circles. It's fun to make cards with different, circles, sizes of circles. So here it will be your window, and here the yellow one is, we are going to put a little glue and just stick it behind like this. So this is the headlight, and here we have the black circle. Well, actually for this one I do not have a punch. So what I did was I used the template, the circle template, and I drew it and I've cut it. So this is how it should look like. And yes, the white one, just a little glue. So here it is. So here is your card. Now for this, I just want to put a design on it. Actually, it's for nothing, but I like it to add a little of this. It looks nice. So we'll apply glue behind it, and we just need to spread it. And here goes. So you can put glue behind this too. If you want it as a 3D card, you can always put a double-sided tape on top of this behind it, and here it goes. So this is my car. This is quite thick, the paper is quite thick, so it's taking time to get. Here it is. So here I'm going to put my card like this. It's simple, yes it is, but you need to really keep all the stuffs ready, and it's not difficult to make. So here it is. So this is the card, and for me, I really don't have a very good handwriting. I need to practice a lot with calligraphy. So right now what I'm doing is I'm not going to put anything like, you know, a happy birthday note or anything, because my handwriting is really bad. So this is the final product. So you can write anything, and if you feel that this scar is too round, what you can do is you can cut this part only a quarter. You can cut here, and then you can paste the circle, the tires. For me it looks cute for the kids, so I've just left it like this. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye, have a nice day.